لأجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم فبدوت.
Hello everyone, welcome back to ELC Studies. Today we will discuss about theory of plot, another important theory in Aristotle's Poetics. So Aristotle's theory of plot is a framework for analyzing and understanding the structure of dramatic works such as plays and films. Next is plot construction. Aristotle believes that an ideal tragic plot is a whole beginning, middle, and end, where each incident follows naturally and inevitably. The beginning should be self explanatory, and the middle should lead logically to the catastrophe. The play must be a complete story, not just a collection of incidents. Its length should be proportionate and long enough to appreciate the order of the parts and the development of the story, but not so long that the beginning is forgotten before the end. So, the play must be long enough to show how the hero falls from happiness to misfortune. Unity of plot. In this chapter, Aristotle makes two significant statements. Number one is Aristotle argues that a plot cannot achieve formal unity by simply telling a story of single hero's life, as too many things can happen to a hero. Instead, the dramatist must carefully select and include only those incidents that are essential to the plot. And number two is the unity of the plot must also be organic, meaning that every action including in the plot must be necessary and integral to the story, like the parts of a living organism. So Aristotle does not place much importance on the later derived unities of time and place. According to Aristotle, nature of plot is divided into a good plot and a bad plot. In a good plot, things happen unexpectedly as well as logically, while in a bad plot, it includes episodes like subplotting. So, a good plot is further divided into the simple and complicated plots, where simple plots includes tragic incidents that protagonists experience, while complicated plots includes peripety and anagnorisis. And the peripety is the sudden reversal of fortune or a turning point in the plot. For example, Macbeth's murder of Duncan was intended to secure his throne, but it ultimately leads to his own downfall. While anagnorisis is the discovery or recognition, and it occurs when hero discovers a crucial piece of information that leads to a peripety. For example, when Oedipus discovers his true parentage. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found these videos valuable, don't forget to subscribe our channel and feel free to ask any question in the comment box.